What do we do when we sketch? We make rough drawings and tentative drafts of what we may eventually take to completion. These drawings, in whatever media, can represent features of observed scenes or objects, or conjure up things from memory or imagination. Often sketches are preliminary studies of intention used to problem solve composition, point of view, or other forms of problem solving. Sketching can be observational or purely propositional. Sketching is still in its rough state of aesthetic finish, visual communication. Sketches, however, typically use quick marks and simple lines to capture only the essential elements of the subject matter. A sketch will usually lack many of the details that a finished drawing would have. The fundamental elements will get worked out in a sketch, such as composition, proportion, scale, and the balance between values.